This is Mr. Review coming at ya. You remember me unboxing this one? Well, I'll tell you what, I like this so much that I went out and bought the coral. Sorry about that. And the chalk colored home minis. This one I have in the living room. I've got it turning my TV off and on and changing channels, which is awesome. I do have the Alexa. Good, she didn't hear it. But I think the mini home is a lot better than the Alexa. So we're going to unbox these. So let's get the unboxing knife out. Same thing as all the other ones. I do have the Comcast on my TV. I want to get the lights next. Okay. Once again, just like Apple. Okay. There is the coral. And this is a rubber down here and plastic here. This is the mute button. The charging button. Well, the button you got, not button, sorry, the plug-in. So that's the coral. And pretty much it's the same thing as all the other ones. Starter guide, instructions, the charging cable, the plug-in cable. This one's going into my bedroom. I'm going to take the Amazon Echo out and put this in its spot. Okay, put that to the side. Put it top of there. Let's open up the white one, or chalk colored. Put that to the side. Once again, all the same stuff. And there's the chalk colored one, which is actually white with the orange bottom. Then the mute switch, the plug-in. This is going in the kitchen. Of course, with all the other doohickeys. I'm not gonna. The one for the kitchen, I'm not using that. I have something different for that. Put this to the side. So this is what I'm going to do with the one in the kitchen. See if I can get up closer. Mount Genie. It's not a whole lot. From Amazon. So I'll open it up. And this comes out of there. Like that. Sorry. Not sure how it goes in. Sorry. And it did not come with any, oh yeah, directions right there. Okay. I want this to go in first. I'm guessing. Sorry about this. I'm gonna have to pause and read this. Sorry, y'all. Okay, I'm back. Sorry about that. Okay. This goes, whoops, sorry. Okay, this is the up, this is top. You can see where it says mount gear. The USB port goes into this hole. So it goes up, this snaps in. Then you take this, plug it in there, then plug in, get it there, goes in there, and it snaps into place. Snaps here, snaps there. It stays hooked up. Now I will take you over to show you what it does. There's a wall outlet. It goes in, and there it is. See? Come on. But I'm taking it out because that's not where I want it. So that's how that goes. Go back over here. Sorry about the moving of the camera. So that's how you do that. And there's your mute button right there, so you don't have to worry. It's not covered up, and it stays like that. Okay, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. And like I said, these Google Home Minis, in my opinion, are a lot better than the Echo Dot, which I've had for 2 years. The Echo Dot can't turn the TV on and off. This can turn the TV on and off. It's just the Google Home, I think, has more intelligence than a Echo Dot. Okay, like, subscribe. I got more videos coming up with some more reviews, actual reviews. Thank y'all. Bye.